Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today I am going to tell you about the harmful effects of polybags. Actually, it is important to know about it for everyone, but for a child or children like you, it is most important because they are the future citizens of our country. And to secure our future is our responsibility, everyone's responsibility. But before, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it now and share it with your friends also. Okay children, let's start the lesson and see what is in it. Vegetable sellers, grocers and bakers give us things packed in poly bags. Milk is also often supplied in poly bags. Poly bags are made of polythene, which is a kind of thin, soft plastic. It is strong and cannot be destroyed easily. That is why we find it so useful, but that is also why it is so harmful. Children, you usually see that when we go to buy something from vegetable sellers, grocers, bakers, they generally give us things in poly bags. Poly bags you all are familiar with. And milk also is often supplied in poly bags. Whether you take milk from Sudha Dairy or Raj Dairy, poly bags are made of polythene. But poly bags are made with the material which is named as polythene. We known as polythene. And what kind of material is polythene, children? It is a kind of thin, soft plastic. Okay, it is a kind of plastic, very thin and soft plastic. But though it is thin, it is very strong and it cannot be destroyed easily. जल्दी से ये नष्ट नहीं हो सकता है, बहुत मजबूत होता है. That's why we find it so useful. और यही रीज़न है बच्चों कि ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही यूज़फुल है, क्योंकि ये जल्दी से ख़राब नहीं होता है, जल्दी से नष्ट नहीं होता है. और यही रीज़न है कि हम लोग सारा चीज़ इसी में लाते हैं. बट दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वाई इट इज़ सो हार्मफुल. क्योंकि मान लो अगर ये नष्ट नहीं होगा, हम लोग ना इसे फेंक पाएंगे, ना जला पाएंगे, ना इसका किसी तरह भी इसको अपने पास से हटा पाएंगे, तो कितने प्लास्टिक, कितने पॉलीथीन्स जमा हो जाएंगे और फिर उनका हम क्या करेंगे. इसलिए डिस्ट्रॉय होना भी तो जरूरी है. एंड दैट इज द बैड एस्पेक्ट ऑफ poly bags because we cannot destroy it. Okay children, you can see here, this is the picture where a bag is saying say no to poly bag. Okay, earth is saying say no to poly bag because look at this picture, the condition of earth is getting bad, getting worse, and these are some bags made of jute and paper. Let's see, what should we do with poly bags after we have used them? If we throw them in a drain, the drain will get choked. If an animal eats a poly bag, the bag will get stuck to its throat and it will not be able to breathe. It may even die. If we burn a poly bag, it will produce poisonous gases, which will pollute the air. The best thing is not to use poly bags at all and to pack things in paper, cloths or jute bags. The question is same children, what we have seen above, that how should we destroy poly bag after using them. अगर हम लोग उसे ड्रेन में फेंकते हैं, ड्रेन जाम हो जाता है, नाली जाम हो जाता है. और अगर कोई एनिमल ने उसे खा लिया फिर तो उसके गले में जाके चिपक जाएगा वो, और उसे सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी। और यहाँ तक कि वर्स्ट कंडीशन तो ये है कि वो मर भी सकता है। और अगर हमने उसे जलाकर डिस्ट्रॉय करना चाहा, हम लोगों ने पॉलीबैग को जला दिया, इट विल प्रोड्यूस पॉइजनस गैसेस। जहरीला गैस उससे निकलता है जो एयर को पॉल्यूट कर देता है पूरी तरह से, और उसमें सांस लेने से हम बीमार पड़ सकते हैं। देन व्हाट इज द बेस्ट थिंग? द बेस्ट थिंग इज नॉट टू यूज पॉलीबैग। सिर्फ एक ही रास्ता है कि हम लोग पॉलीबैग को यूज ही ना करें। देन हाउ वी विल टेक थिंग्स फ्रॉम द मार्केट? In paper, cloths, or jute bags. And children, now, okay children, let's do some exercises related to this. Dash and Dash often use poly bags to pack things. Okay. Who often use poly bags to pack things? Grocers and vegetable sellers. Second number is poly bags are used to supply dash also. Milk also. Third number is poly bags are made of dash. It is a kind of dash and dash plastic. Poly bags are made of polythene. It is a kind of thin and strong plastic. You can see here, thin and soft plastic. It is strong, but here we will write thin and soft plastic. Poly bags are made of polythene. It is a kind of thin and soft plastic. Poly bags are both useful and harmful. Instead of poly bags, we should use jute, paper, or cloth bags to pack things. What happens in the following situation? Complete the statements. You have to complete them. If we throw a poly bag in a drain, we have already read, the drain will get choked. If an animal eats a poly bag, it may die. If we burn a poly bag, the poisonous gas will pollute the air. Okay children, hope you like this video. Subscribe it, comment on it, and like and share it. Okay, don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.